Hi, this is Jean, and I'm here to do a review and demonstration of the Fantic Max E1 Max screwdriver. Wait till you see this. Push it out. Here's the screwdriver. It's got a light. You can screw and unscrew anyway. It's got a low, a locked, and a high function. And then look at this. You have almost any screw bit that you could possibly want from any size. So, and it's all magnet, so it just falls back in. There's no reason to be losing this stuff. If all you have to do is just get it near it and it will work. And there you go. It's working. The light's on. All I have to do is put this back there. It sticks right in. Here's another one. If I want to work with something else, just put that in there and it's screwing. I am really impressed with this. It's really easy to use and it will turn off automatically. And there you go. Organized, and then you can plug it in to charge it later. Highly recommend.